So in this video, you're going to learn how to transfer files from your external hard disk to your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. The first step is to ensure that your hard disk is connected to your tablet. If you don't know how to do so, then I'll leave a video linked in the description down below so that you can follow with those steps. Once your hard disk has been connected to your tablet and it's been successfully recognized, you're then going to go ahead and launch the Files app. In the Files app, on the sidebar, you're then going to go and select your USB storage. So as you can see, it says USB storage 1 and USB storage 2, and this is because my external hard disk is split into two partitions. However, if it's just one singular partition, then you should just see USB storage. So go ahead and select it to view the files that are currently on your external hard disk. Then find the files or photos and videos that you wish to transfer. You can even go ahead and select a full folder that you wish to transfer. Once you've selected the items that you wish to move, you're then going to be given two transfer methods. You have move and you have copy. So choose the option that you'd prefer to use and then select it. And then from here, you're then going to go to the internal storage section. And under internal storage, you're then going to select the location where the files are going to be placed. If you don't like the preset folders that are available, you can always choose to just create your own. From here, you're then just going to select the option move here, and then simply wait for the transfer process to complete itself. Once it's complete, you'll then just navigate to internal storage and then look for the folder, and you should see all the files that you've successfully transferred listed there. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.